Hello everyone, MPX AUTOS James again. How are you? So today we have on Land Cruiser dual cab and gunmetal, gray color dual cab here with a fairly new odometer. It's just above 10,000 k. And yep, it's beautiful truck, of course. Oh, I say truck. Okay, some say truck, some say Land Cruiser, a car, but say yes. It already has some good accessories in the car before, and today it comes in for a whole new 9-inch system upgrade, premium setup, and it will have soon Pioneer speakers upgrade in the factory location. We don't do on the doors, but we will do it on the factory locations with the Pioneer speaker upgrade, the one that we specifically import from outside of Australia, not in Australia available here. And we upgrade certainly with the full HD anti-glare, subproof, waterproof camera that we use, super wide angle and super night vision as well. And together with that, we will have three camera dash camera recorder fitting on the top over here, and one of the camera Full HD as well will run down to the back and work and fit at the back end. Currently we are doing the work for the rear end camera because there's number plate mounting at the back, and that's where we are working to relocate the number plate and the bracket to make sure that our camera will have to see the turbo very well right in the middle of the back to have the owner drive the car safely, and he wants to tow something at the end like a trailer or the boat, and that would help him to hook to the trailer much easier. So stay tuned and we will see you in another video soon. Thank you and see you then.